Watch how quickly and affordably these skilled mechanics remove the engine from a BMW 3 Series E46. With just 4 hands, they begin by removing covers and decorative elements under the hood, pulling out the spark plugs, and taking off the valve cover. Step by step, they disconnect the coolant reservoir, intake manifold, and additional engine components. The coolant is drained, the oil is released, and the disassembly continues as the camshafts and related parts are carefully removed and placed aside. In just a few bolts, the cylinder head is lifted out from the engine bay. Next, the team detaches all auxiliary components, unbolts the engine mounts, and prepares the lifting frame. With the help of a chain hoist, the engine is smoothly pulled out and set down on a tire for safety. From here, the block will be sent to other specialists for a full rebuild. An impressive demonstration of teamwork, speed, and skill, proof that complex jobs can be done efficiently with the right knowledge and tools. Subscribe to see more fascinating and educational videos about car repairs.